this box. For orange, I used colored paper. I used buttons for yellow. These are just like sticky letters for green. I don't know what these really are, but I guess they're like buttons, I guess. That's a brochure, and then that's just my color wheel.
This is the color wheel, and then this piece of paint is blue violet, and then this paint is blue green, and then this is blue. This is violet, and then this is blue violet. This is red. This is red orange, and this is orange. This is yellow orange, and this is yellow. This is yellow green.